If you live somewhere where it gets below freezing during the winter, it's important to turn off your sprinkler system. The problem is, for every house, it's going to be a different spot. So I'm going to show you some tips and tricks on how to find it. So what we're going to be looking for is a small piece, probably about 3 or 4 inches wide. It can be a yellow or green plastic top or a black rubber top as well. So if you can't find that in your lawn just by walking over it, here's some things to look for. So one of the first things we can check is our sprinkler control valve box. This will show you where the pipes are going. So for ours, it points straight out to the street, so let's follow that line. The next thing that we can look for is the line from our water meter. So we're gonna follow this at a 90-degree angle towards the house and continue looking. So we finally found ours. It's black, about 3 or 4 inches in diameter. One of the things that we had to do, since it was buried a little bit, is to spread apart the grass. Here's a few more tips to find it. If this control valve sprinkler box is in the middle of your yard, I would probably look a foot or 2 away in each direction. Again, about a 90-degree angle from each side. You might find it there. Hopefully your house came with a tool to be able to turn it off. If it didn't, you can find one at a home improvement store or online. Something to watch out for is there's a few different ends. Hopefully you're able to look down there and see it. If not, it might just be trial and error. But what you're gonna do is you're gonna stick it down the hole. It goes pretty far there. Wait for it to kind of click in place. And then you're gonna turn it to the right or clockwise, and that'll shut it off. Another precaution you could take is to blow out your lines. An easy way to do that is just to turn your sprinklers on after you've shut it off. Run them for about 10 seconds and you should be good.